PDFs are one of the most common formats students use for readings, assignments, handouts, and research papers. But many students don't realize just how powerful PDFs can be for studying smarter and staying organized. So in today's video, we're breaking down the best PDF tips every student should know in 2025. Let's start with something super helpful, using annotation tools. Most PDF readers today let you highlight, underline, draw, and leave comments directly on the page. This is perfect for taking notes during lectures, doing close reading for literature classes, or marking important formulas for exams. Annotations help you stay focused because you interact with the text instead of just reading passively. And the best part? Everything stays neatly inside your PDF. Next, make use of searchable text. If your PDF is scanned or contains images, turn on OCR, Optical Character Recognition. This instantly converts text into searchable content. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can search keywords like photosynthesis, Cold War, or Pythagorean theorem, and jump straight to the information you need. It's a huge time saver, especially when reviewing for exams. Another essential tip is organizing your PDFs by subject. Create separate folders for each class: math, science, literature, history, or whatever subjects you're taking this semester. Inside those folders, divide them into lectures, assignments, research, and exams. Having a simple system makes it easy to find files during busy school weeks or when finals season arrives. Students should also learn to merge and split PDFs. When your teacher sends multiple handouts, you can merge them into one document to keep everything together. On the other hand, if a PDF is too long or contains pages you don't need, splitting it helps reduce clutter and makes studying easier. These tools are especially helpful for group projects where everyone shares different materials. And don't forget about PDF to Word or PDF to PowerPoint conversions. Sometimes you need to edit an assignment, extract quotes, or reuse tables for a report. Converting a PDF gives you more flexibility. Just make sure the formatting looks right after converting, since it might shift depending on the tool you use. Another powerful feature, adding bookmarks. Bookmarks act like chapter tabs, allowing you to jump to specific sections. Perfect for textbooks, long readings, or multi-page reviewers. With bookmarks, you can quickly access topics like Chapter 3, Algebra, lab instructions, or review questions. Students can also benefit from compressing PDF files, especially when submitting homework online. Many schools have size limits, and uncompressed PDFs can be too large. Compressing helps you meet upload requirements without losing quality. And finally, always back up your school PDFs. Use Google Drive, OneDrive, or any cloud storage so your notes and assignments don't disappear if your device crashes. Cloud syncing also lets you access your files across multiple devices, which is perfect for studying on the go. And that's it for our PDF tips for students. With these simple strategies, you'll stay organized, save time, and get more out of your study materials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more study hacks and productivity tips. Thanks for watching.